Hello, welcome to this video. This one is for Ratabili. This is from 2019. I think it's the March paper. Let me write this down. 2019 March, I think. Paper 42. All right, if you want to look at the answers. All right, aluminium is produced industrially by electrolysis of a melt containing large amounts of Al3 plus ions. And we've got to calculate how much, calculate the mass of aluminium with a current of this. It's passed for that, and we've got to give it to 3 sig fig. Very important. Okay, so let's go. First thing you've got to know is obviously aluminium 3 plus requires 3 electrons to give me aluminium. There you go. That's very important because it gives us the ratio. And basically, how we're going to do this, we're going to find the number of moles of electrons that passed, divide that by 3, get the number of moles of aluminium ions that would have reacted, therefore get the number of moles of aluminium formed, times it by 27, which is the relative atomic mass of aluminium, and that will give us the mass of aluminium. That's the idea anyway. Let's hope it goes okay. All right, first of all, what charge flows? Q is it. Q is equal to IT. I is 300,000. T is 24 hours times 60 minutes times 60 seconds. Okay, so using my calculator here, which is 300,000 times 24 hours times 60 minutes times 60 seconds, I get 2.59 times 10 to the 10. So 2.59 times 10 to the 10 coulombs. All right, so that's the charge that flowed. But now, as we should all know, 1 Faraday is the charge on 1 mole of electrons. And 1 Faraday is 96,500 coulombs. So if I divide this number here by 96,500, I'll get the number of moles of electrons that flowed. So divided by 96,500, and I get 268,601. Now this is no longer coulombs. Now this is, whoops, that's the one at the end. This is moles of electrons. Okay, this number would go here, underneath the 3 electrons. And to get the number of moles of aluminium, I divide that number by 3. So I'm going to do this. The number of moles of aluminium now is equal to that number divided by 3. And I get 89,533 moles of aluminium. Now to get the mass of aluminium, I'm going to times that by 27, which is the relative atomic mass of aluminium. And I get 2417409. That's grams. So let's divide that by 1,000. So 1, 2, 3, and there, put a point there, and there it becomes kilograms. So the mass, and now don't forget, I'm going to have 3 significant figures. So 1 figure, 2 figures. Now this one becomes 8 now, doesn't it? Oh, what am I talking about? Doesn't become 8 at all. That becomes 2 now, doesn't it? So 2, 0, that's the mass. And that's 3 significant figures, and the units are kilograms. All right, I hope that helped, and I'm going to post this straight away.